In the world of car detailing, there are two main methods for polishing paint: rotary and dual action random orbital. Rotary polishing has been around for ages and involves a different kind of movement, which can be a bit trickier to master compared to the dual action method. So, if you're just starting out with rotary polishing, expect a learning curve. To avoid ruining your own car while learning, practice on a friend's car. Just kidding. It's smarter to get a hold of a junkyard hood or one from a body shop to work on. Think of it like practicing a new sport with gear that you don't mind getting a little banged up. When you're starting out, pay attention to the size of the pad you're using. Starting with a smaller one gives you better control and feels more comfortable. As you get the hang of it, you can move up to larger pad diameters. Choosing the right polish and pad combo is also crucial. Using a fine polish with a medium foam pad will give you a smoother experience as you learn. Save the heavy-duty stuff for later when you're more confident. It's also important to match your products to the type of polisher you're using. Stick to formulas and pads specifically designed for rotary polishing for best results. As for technique, start at lower speeds on your polisher until you get comfortable with the movement. Keep the pad as flat as possible against the surface you're working on for optimal performance. So grab that junkyard hood, start slow, and practice these techniques. Before you know it, you'll be a pro at rotary polishing.